Hello everyone and welcome back to BB Collab. Today we are going to walk through the installation of two powerful Python libraries for data visualization. These two libraries are the Seaborn and Plotly. So let's start the process. First of all, launch the Anaconda prompt from this Anaconda navigator. And here you can see that we are prompted towards the project 1, which is our environment that we have created in our previous videos. So we will first install the first library, which is the Seaborn, and for that we will write a single line code pip install Seaborn and click enter. The installation process will start in a while. Seaborn is a Python visualization library based on Matplotlib that is used to provide a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. Okay, so it's done. Now we will install the second library, which is Plotly, and for that we will write pip install Plotly and click enter. Plotly is an attractive graphing library that makes it easy to create dynamic and engaging visualizations. It supports various types of charts and can be used both in Jupyter notebooks and standalone applications. As you can see, the installation of Plotly is in process and it takes a little time. So the installation process of Plotly is completed. Once we were done with the process of installation of both these libraries, then we will verify that if these libraries are successfully installed on our system or not. So for that verification, we will open one of our Python interpreter. In this case, we have opened the Jupyter notebook. So we have imported the Seaborn library as SNS here in this case. And now we are printing the version of our Seaborn library. So you can see Seaborn is correctly installed because it is showing the version of Seaborn. In the same way, we will also check the version of Plotly, which we have installed recently by writing similar code like import Plotly and then print plotly dot underscore underscore version, and then we will run that command, so the version of Plotly will be printed. Okay, now that we have installed the Seaborn library, so let's jump into creating some fundamental visualization that are essential for data analysis. So as there are different kinds of plots and graphs that we can make with the help of the Seaborn library, one of these plots is the scatter plot, which is a great kind of plotting for visualizing the relationship between two variables. We will do an example for that, like that how it works. So first we will import the libraries that we have just um, installed, and for that we will write import Seaborn as SNS. Now we are done with the importing of these libraries. So the second step will be importing the data set. Like for example, we have a very popular data set with the name of tips. So we will now import that data set and we will store that data set into a variable with the name of this data. Our next step is to make a scatter plot in which we will plot the data on a scattered plot, which will show the data. On the x-axis we will show the total bill, and on the y-axis we will show the tip. And we are taking this above loaded data set as our data, and the title of that scattered plot will be this. Okay, and with this code plt.show we are going to show the scattered plot. So run this code and you can see the scattered plot is being created, and these blue dots show that this is a scattered plot. We can also create a bar graph with the above data set. For example, that the x-axis we will be showing the day, and on the y-axis we will show the tip, and we are taking the above data set, which is tip data set, and the title of that bar chart is this bar chart average tip by day. Okay, so we will run this code and here you can see a bar chart is created. So this is because of the Seaborn library that you can plot the data in any kind of visual form, and we can create other things with the help of these libraries like heat maps, etc. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thank you.